Social media marketing requires both strategy and creativity. This video is sponsored by Dargate Resources SDN BHD. While it may seem overwhelming, its importance cannot be overstated. It's so important that 97% of marketers are using social media and 78% of salespeople outsell their peers by using social media for their business. Here are 5 social media marketing tips for every platform. 1. Define your goals. Having a solid plan, objectives, and goals are imperative if you want to jumpstart your social media strategy. Your goal will be the driving force of your social media marketing strategy. 2. Study your target audience. Now that you have your goal in mind, let's take a look at the audience. Without the support of your audience, your strategy will be in vain. Connecting and engaging with your audience is crucial in today's marketing if you want to turn a profit. But in order to do that, you need to understand your audience inside and out. You need to figure out who your target demographic is and what social networks they use. 3. Not every platform fit your goal. It is not necessary to be available on all the social media platforms, but what matters is to create an impact on a few that you are present on. Focus on the platforms that are preferred by your targeted demographic. 4. Remember, it's all about engagement. Social media is a powerful tool for any marketing strategy. And that mainly comes down to the fact that businesses can interact and engage with their customers in a way that's impossible otherwise. If you're not building relationships with your audience and/or customers, it'll have disastrous effects on your business. 5. Test and repeat. If you're using social media ads, test different formats to see which are most effective for your different kinds of content. For example, in your Facebook advertising, maybe carousel ads work best for product announcements, but a local ad with a Get Directions button works best when you're launching a new store. A/B testing Facebook ads formats against one another can help you determine which to use for each type of promotion. Remember, the idea is to test one variation against another, then compare the responses and choose a winner.